Thousands are protesting against stricter homeschool legislation in Queensland, including these homeschooling children. I am 8 years old. I have what Mummy calls the alphabet of superpowers, except with all superpowers there are weaknesses, and they are sitting still and learning like others. I can't spell good, and I can't write properly either, so my mum is helping me with this, and I am saying my feelings. Please don't make me go back into school. I love home education. I started Year 7 at a public high school in 2022. It was horrible. I was bullied and I felt lost and alone. I hated high school and I couldn't learn because it was always so noisy and the other kids would put me down. Eventually, my mum and dad took me out of school because I wasn't going and I was too upset to learn anything anyway. In the beginning, I was depressed from everything that had happened, but then I slowly started learning with mum and dad. I made friends that homeschool, and they weren't nasty like some of the school kids. I started to do horse riding and feel like myself again. I am 15 years old. When I attended school, I did not cope and had trouble concentrating due to high anxiety, bullying, and the high workload. It got so bad that I had 2 panic attacks and broke out into hives for over 6 months. Since homeschooling, I haven't had any of these symptoms and have been able to manage my anxiety. I am now able to decide what to learn and which classes to attend. I am working at my own capacity. I'm 14 years old. I have started in the school environment, but those days were really challenging. The rigid structure and lack of support made my anxiety worse, and I found it hard to keep up with the pace of learning. I received little support from teachers or staff after receiving a diagnosis, and my anxiety got worse over time, meaning I missed school days. Since we started homeschooling, my life has changed for the better. I've discovered a love for music, learning French, playing the piano, and photography. Through my love of Lego, I can build all sorts of car models, and because of this, I have learnt about engines and how cars work, including aerodynamics. These bring me a lot of joy in ways I never experienced at school, and I am always learning. I'm a Year 11 homeschool student. I have been diagnosed with autism, ADHD, PDA, and I also have PTSD from my traumas experienced in the school system. I left school at the beginning of grade 5, barely able to read and write. However, homeschooling has allowed me to explore my interests, improve my skills, and learn in a way that helps me succeed. I didn't cope in the school. I have ASD and ADHD. Teachers always said I was naughty and yelled at me. I struggled with emotional regulation because classrooms are too noisy, there are too many kids, and I just can't focus because there's too much going on. I got sent home and suspended a lot. I learn better at home. I have a special room I helped create, and lots of resources. I love learning now, and we focus on topics I want to learn about. I have even started my own business and attend homeschool markets. The best part is I can learn at times where I'm more focused. Homeschooling is a flexible, personalised, legal option for education in Queensland. Let's keep it that way.